student, welcome again in my class. I hope all of you enjoy and learn basic concept and also how to solve difficult problem in a easy way. It is very important class for all of you, so watch the video at the end. So student, let us start our problem. Find the minimum value of fx is equal to a square upon sin square x plus b square upon cos. This is class for JEE Mains class. So student, how we find the minimum value of this function? So our function is trigonometric function. Our function is trigonometric function. A square upon sin square x plus b square upon cos square. So student, let us try to find the minimum value of the function without any differentiation. This is in objective, so there is no need to differentiate the function if you know the trigonometry. So here we change sin square x into cosec square x. So this can be written as fx is equal to a square on 1 upon sin square x plus b square 1 upon cos square. Now 1 upon sin square x is easily converted in cosec square and this is easily converted into sec square. Student, we know that the cosec square x is 1 plus cot square. So fx is equal to a square, this is your 1 plus cot square x plus b square and the sec square x. Sec square x is 1 plus tan square x. Now we open the bracket. So fx is equal to a square plus a square cot square x plus b square tan square. Now student, this can be written as fx is equal to a square plus b square and here is a square cot square x plus b square tan square. This is your a square cot square x plus b square tan square. Now we easily find the value of this function. We know that the product of cot square x and tan square x is 1. Product of cot square x and tan square is 1. So here we use our AM. Here we use our AM. And we know that our arithmetic mean is always greater than our geometric mean. So here two numbers. We find the AM of these two numbers. It means a square cot square x plus b square tan square x and arithmetic mean two number we divide by 2. This is your AM of 2. Now this is your greater than GM. It means multiplication of a square cot square x into b square tan square. Now this is your a square cot square x plus b square tan square x is greater than equal to, this is cancel out, a square into upon. We know that what is the value of root a square or root x square. Root x square is mod x. Root x square is mod x. So here we can write this. This is a square cot square x plus b square tan square x is greater than equal to mod ab. And here we cross multiply, here we have 2. or we can say that the a square cot square x plus b square tan square x is greater than equal to 2 mod ab. Now student, we see that a square cot square x plus b square tan square x is always greater than equal to 2 mod ab. We take positive sign. It means a square cot square x plus b square tan square x is greater than equal to 2a. Now from 1 we substitute this value here. So this is greater than 2ab. So whole fx is also greater than whole expression. Now we substitute this value here. So from 1 our fx is equal to, this is your greater than 2ab. Now fx is greater than equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. In place of this we could substitute the value 2ab. Now our fx is greater than equal to a plus b whole square. The value of fx is greater than equal to a plus b whole square. It means this is your minimum value. So what is fx minimum? Is equal to a plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square is the minimum value of this function. So AMGM is very important concept. You see lot of questions are in your competition. So you note down.